Here's a quick video on how to build a roof rack platform out of 80-20 extruded aluminum or T-slot. Here you can see what I'm working with, a single size and a double size bar of T-slot aluminum. Here's what I use to connect the pieces together. I get an L bracket, a T-nut as this is called, and a 1/4-20 size small screw. Put the bracket on top, and the screw screws right into that T-nut. And if you don't tighten it down all the way, this slides around. You can slide it into place. That's right where the T-nut goes into. And this can be maneuvered right into place. You can slide it up and down the bar and tighten it into place as needed. Here's what the platform looks like once you get the pieces connected. Here's what the platform looks like. You can see I've got the double pieces on the longest edges and down the middle. Connected everything with the L brackets there, sliding them into place, and made it really easy to connect. And those T-nuts bite into the track from the underside and hold it in place really well. This aluminum is really strong, and this little accessory here slides up and down the track. It makes for great anchor points. I put them on, 2 of them on every edge of this platform. This is my mounting bracket for the platform. It's by Maxima, originally for light bars, stainless steel, and I painted it black. I also purchased a 1/2 inch thick neoprene rubber strip. I put the bracket on there and outlined it, cut it to fit on the bottom and on the top there, drilled holes in it where the screws will go in so that I don't have any metal to metal contact. And here's the mounting bracket attached to the underside of the platform. The screws went right through where I drilled the holes. And I used the same T-nuts since they slide over, get them right in place. Again, that's a 1/4-20 size T-nut, or excuse me, 1/4-20 size screw. Fit in there. I'll paint those black. I won't have any rattling on there. And this is the final product. All the mounting brackets in each corner, and I'll get it mounted on my truck. Here it shows what I needed to do to be able to mount it. I had to remove the vanity mirrors and the front part of the headliner to be able to remove the screws and the brackets of the side curtain airbag so that I could get under where the rain gutter is to screw through where I wanted to mount the brackets there. So I had to pull the weather stripping down to get to it, so this was part of it. And here's the bracket mounted in place. As you can see, it's very low profile. It blends in real good, and here's a view of the top. Here's a walk around of it mounted in place. I used silicone under those rubber strips attached to the vehicle to waterproof it. See, it blends in good with the truck with the black of the ladder rack and the roof rack, or excuse me, the rooftop tent and the dark color of the truck. Got the anchor points in, view from over on top, and I could cut these bars to the exact size that I wanted this to fit, which is why I decided to go this route and build this.